Although Brahma, Shiva, and Indra are the most learned authorities, they cannot ascertain the essence of Krishna's Murli, so they simply bow down their heads and hearts, which means when the demigods hear Krishna, when the devatas hear Krishna's flute, Brahma, Indra, Chandra, Shiva, Varun, they bow down their heads and they start going like this. And it's explained in some Puranas that when Krishna plays his flute, then Ananta Shesh, true to their nature, as all big snakes and little snakes, when you play the music, and back to the Cobra theme, Ananta Shesh starts going back and forth. Just, oh, this is nice kirtan, this is nice music. Huh? Eyes closed, little smile, gentle smile, smita smile on your face. And it's like, just nectar for the ears, Pivatam amritam. So, rasalayam, rasakarna alayam, whatever it is. So, Nanta Shesh is going back and forth. But this is a problem because the people in the universe, because the Nanta Shesh is holding one universe on his hood, and people, they think it's pralaya, because he's very quiet, very steady, holding the universe. But in pralaya, he starts dancing, and Shiva starts dancing and expands himself. And there's a big fire coming out of Ananta Shesh's mouth, and it's a big wild scene. So everyone's, it's time, it's cataclysm, it's pralaya, and there's all phones are ringing, SMS going back and forth, different countries, different leaders. What's happening? It's not time for pralaya. Everything's shaking, and my china fell off the shelves, and my pots and pans are banging in the kitchen. What's going on? My fine crystal glasses are all breaking and falling on the floor. So even Krishna's flute affects Ananta Shesh. It's actually a very funny tika. Don't mind. But it's so funny, I have to share it. It's completely off topic, too. No, it's actually sort of on topic. It's in the Kaliya Krishna story. And then Balaram speaks to Krishna. He says, he's looking at Krishna. He's actually watching Krishna dance on the hood. So the snakes, everyone else fainted and dying and entering the water. And Balaram is laughing. Balaram is the only one smiling. All the gopis have fainted. The coward boys have fainted. They died from drinking the poison waters. Yashoda is totally desperate. Oh, my baby. And everyone's half dead. And Balaram is like, oh, wow, great. Go. All right, little brother. All right, little brother. Dance. Da, 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 da. Oh, what? Can I join you? No. This is mine. This is solo. I'm on solo. Ta 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 ta. So, all right. So Balaram, Vishwanath Chakravarti reveals in this Kaliya Mardhan Lila that Balaram is watching and admiring his little brother's expertise in dancing, Kala Nritya, Kala Nach, and when he starts thinking, he says, "What is this? And this puny little water snake, this puny little water snake, Krishna is dancing on his hoods. But I have so many hoods as Ananta Shesh, and he never once came and danced on my hoods." So since we're having a little, Sarp Katha, so I thought I would expand the oceans of this story. And this is all Krishna's flute and his dancing. So Balaram is lamenting, this lucky Kaliya. Krishna, I wonder how it feels if Krishna dances on your hoods. So this is the sweet, talk about humor. Our acharyas are also very humorous. This is a very funny point. If you have half a brain, or you're half awake when you read it. It's quite, and you see the whole thing and enter into the mood and feelings, and it's very anukulya for pure love of Krishna.